Drop a 1 in the chat if you really want me to break it out. And for y'all, just for y'all, I'm actually going to bring out some examples for you, okay? I'm going to bring out some examples for you. Let me do some example analysis. Example analysis. All right, so said I haven't got one sale. I got my skincare line though. I'm gonna tell you how you can get some sales, bro. I really wanna in business, right? We have to think, okay, I'm gonna start a business. How am I gonna get sales to this business? Right? So before you start a business, whatever business you're thinking of right now, I want you to think about 3 different price points for your business, okay? I want y'all to all take out a notepad and pen. I want y'all to drop a fire emoji in the chat once you got your notepad and pen ready. Once you got your notepad and pen ready, I want you to drop a fire emoji in the chat. Once you got your notepad and pen ready, I want you to drop a fire emoji in the chat. He said, hey, I need that Shopify gem you just dropped. I got you, bro. You know I got you. It ain't even nothing to it. It ain't even nothing to it. You don't even gotta ask. You don't even gotta ask. Okay, boom. So a lot of y'all want to get started with e-commerce, right? A lot of y'all see me on here making a lot of money. You're like, okay, how can I get started? How can I start making honcho kind of money? How can I start making 100,000, 200,000 a month, right? So first things you need to know is that e-commerce is divided by 3 different things, right? You got the product, you got the niche, you got the source. You got the product, you got the niche, you got the source. All right, now I want you to think of something right now and then I want you to drop it in the chat. What do you think would sell? What business are you thinking of right now in your head that you think would be able to sell, right? I'm going to say something for you. You got jewelry, you got home fitness, you got home decor, right? You got lifestyle, okay? You got clothing. You have all these different types of niches. How do you know which one is profitable? You even have things like alcohol, right? You have shoes. You have all these different things. You have sex, you have beauty, right? You have all these different things that you're able to sell. But a lot of y'all get caught in this phase called analysis paralysis where you don't know exactly where to start. You're like, I have all these different niches and I have all these different places where I can start, but where exactly do I start, right? So I'm about to give y'all my top 3 niches. Okay, I'm about to give y'all my top 3 niches. Number 1 is jewelry. Okay, I have about 4 jewelry shops. Drop a fire emoji in the chat if you want me to actually show you my jewelry shop, a couple of my jewelry shops. I have a jewelry shop. Home fitness is one of my personal favorites. I know a lot of people say that it's quote unquote saturated, but if you know how to create a good home fitness store, then you can make a shit ton of money. I'm telling you, a shit ton of money. Number 3 is trendy. Okay, I love one product shops. Okay, one product shops, you have something called seasonal products and then you have something called lifetime products. Okay, seasonal products are your jewelry shops, your home fitness, your home decor, your lifestyle shops, and then you have your one product shops, which are your ones that I just be promoting on TikTok, like the mini speaker or the gel blasters or something that is just literally one product that you're going to be able to promote and make a lot of money from it. All right, so let me tell y'all something, right? Right now, if y'all don't know, we're heading into something called Q4 season. All right, so you got Black Friday, you got Cyber Monday, we got Christmas, we got New Year's. Okay, so out of these right here, which one do you think are going to be most profitable? Y'all have to think logically. I want you to stop thinking like a 9-to-5 worker. In the chat, I want y'all to say F 9-to-5s, F 9-to-5s. No more thinking like a 9-to-5 worker. We're thinking about what sells. All right, we're thinking about what sells. So, ooh, we just made another $1,000. Okay, cool. We're thinking about what sells. Okay, so when you're thinking about what sells, you have to think, what are people buying during this period of time? We're buying toys. We're buying toys, y'all. Toys during this season. I'm giving y'all free gems today because I'm in a good mood. Even though I'm sick right now, I'm still in a good mood. We're selling toys, all right? Toys is one of the best things to sell during this period of time in Q4 season. It's probably the #1 thing to sell right now is toys. Okay, so we're selling toys. All right, we're selling jewelry. Who don't buy their girlfriend a nice chain for Christmas? Who don't buy their girlfriend a nice little ring or some earrings for Christmas? Y'all have to think logically. What would you buy your girlfriend for Christmas? You're probably gonna buy her some jewelry, right? Or a fake bag. Maybe like a fake Gucci bag or something, I don't know. But you're buying her jewelry. And 9 times out of 10, you buying her some fake jewelry. So you're really buying from a drop shipper. I'm about to show y'all one of my drop shipping stores that did $75,000 last month. If you don't believe me, I'm about to actually show you the numbers because I'm a numbers guy. So my last one did $70,000 last month. And just so that you know I'm not capping, we got the numbers right here. As you guys can see, last 4 weeks we did $70,000. And that was from my jewelry store that I'm about to show you. I want you guys to pay attention to some of the analytics right here. Okay, we spend, a customer spends about $330 when they come to our website. I want you guys to look at this real quick though. So our gross was $70,000. A lot of y'all will say, well, Honcho, that's your gross. Well, what's your net? My net is $60,000 from $75,000. Okay, I want you to understand that this is not normal. I do things that aren't normal, right? I don't sell $5 products and then get a $5 return. I sell $100 products and then get a $1,000 return. That's how you make money. Stop listening to these fake ass dropshippers telling you to sell fucking candles for $5 when you're getting them for $1. Your margins should never be $3. Your margins should always be over $20. If you're selling a product and your margins are not over $20, you're doing something wrong. And I'm about to show you. So let's go to the website. Alright, so let's go to one of my jewelry websites. Actually, let's go to a client's jewelry website. We can do both. I'm gonna show y'all both. So as you guys can see here, here's a jewelry website established in. I want y'all to check something out real quick. I'm about to show you something that's gonna blow your brains out of the water. Okay, so we go to watches. All right, so boom. So I'm about to just give y'all an example. So we got this watch right here, okay? How much are we selling this watch for, y'all? Drop the number in the chat. I know y'all see it, $119. All right, we're selling it for $119, okay? This is how much we're selling it for. This is actually one of our best sellers. If you go here, you click over here. Actually, no, this is one of our best sellers. And as you guys can see here, look how many people have bought this. This has 50 reviews, guys. This has 50 reviews. We're selling it for $100. I want y'all to remember this number. We're selling it for $129. Remember, I want y'all to actually write that number down. Whoever writes this number down, I might just cash app you some money. I want y'all to take a look at some of the reviews. All 5-star reviews. Do y'all see any 1-star reviews? No negative reviews. I want y'all to guess how much I'm getting this product for. Whoever gets the answer right, I'm gonna cash app you $20. Somebody guess how much I'm getting this product for wholesale. Right now, I want you to guess. How much am I getting this product for wholesale? And don't act like you're not buying your girlfriend this watch for $100. Don't act like it. Because y'all be buying y'all girlfriends fake watches. So don't even say, hey, you're selling fake jewelry. Everybody knows it's fake, bro. Nobody's going to spend $50,000 on a bust down AP unless you're a millionaire. Somebody said $15. Somebody said $13. Somebody said $25. Y'all are all wrong. I'm about to show you though. I'm about to show you. Keep dropping them. We got $5 through $15. You have to say a specific number. Y'all are wrong. So hold on. Before I flip my screen, let me go ahead and split test this real quick. Let me go ahead and split screen this. I'm gonna go ahead and split this screen. I'm gonna go ahead and split screen this for you guys so that you guys can see, so that you know I'm not capping. So y'all can see that it's the exact same watch. We are getting it for $3.49. Who guessed it right? None of y'all guessed it right, because our profit margins are literally ridiculous. When you think to yourself, wow, he's getting an almost 100% return on his investment, you would think, how is this even possible? And then you realize that everything you buy is from China. Everything you buy is wholesale. The only question is, are you going to be the producer or are you going to be the consumer? I advise you to be the producer so that you can start selling products like this for $3 and start selling them for $129. And guess what? Don't say nobody's buying them, because, hey, we got 55-star reviews. So what's your excuse to sell a $3 product for $100? If I'm showing it to you right now, you can't even tell. I don't wear fake jewelry, but if I wanted to, hey, look, I could sell these. Y'all want to see something crazy? I'm going to show you something even more crazy. I'm going to show you something even more crazy. Look at this. Look at this. Doesn't this look the exact same? These are literally VVS diamonds. These are fake diamonds. Do y'all understand what's going on in today's generation?